Huh.
I think it's not come out the piggy.
The duck's not in there.
Ask her what she did to the little
What
duck.
happened to the little duck?
I broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah, I broke
Why?
it.
The mommy duck's gonna be very upset. Uh-oh.
He's a mommy duck.
Hey, mommy duck, how are you?
It's got here.
Oh, it's mine? Okay.
It's mine.
Where's the little duck?
I broke it.
Really?
I broke it right here.
Oh.
And I broke it. I played the pig. The pig. Put the headband on.
Put on your hair.
On here. On here. It's not funny. Make this one.
Bella's more the troublemaker now than anybody.
She's like worse than he ever was.
I want her to say the whole thing. I broke the little duck. How can we make her say that?
Can you say, I broke the little duck for daddy? What happened to the little duck?
I broke it.
You broke what?
The little ducky broke.
You broke the little ducky?
Yeah.
What happened to the little ducky?
Broke.
Who broke it?
Bella.
Bella broke the little ducky?
Yeah.
Can you say that? Bella broke the little ducky?
I broke the little cheese. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Okay, very good. I got it.
Cheese what?
Cheeseburger.
Okay, say, I broke the little duck.
Broke the little duck.
Okay.
Crack me up, man.
Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
See ya.
In here, in camera.
What?
Look in the camera. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.